Hey, what's up, traders? This is EURUSD, and I think it's good time to enter right now because we already have wave one, wave two. Now we had wave three. Now we have this pause, and I think the price will continue here into this beautiful supply zone top of this channel, and then we're gonna have this slow correction, and then wave five, right? So, but it's too much to the future. So currently, what's going on in here? And let's check to the bigger time frame. So what we have, we can see that basically the price has been dropping quite nicely from the long-term supply zone in here. Actually, in here it was reached, but here is the supply zone, right? So this is the reaction where I predicted this drop. So since then the price was dropping, it retested and dropping again in this beautiful channel. So we have this bottom, right? And now it was testing, and right now I'm thinking we're gonna reach this top of this channel, right, which is again the supply zone. So that's quite beautiful looking right now. And here I'm speculating on the continuation up from this. Here is beautiful demand zone, and as well it's a liquidity zone, right? Because below all these lows where the traders entered at longs in here, there was a beautiful liquidity, definitely, which was used by the banks to close their short positions. So we actually been able to see this in before that this happened. So let me bring the COT data. And what we can see in here is, yes, the banks had beautiful big short positions in here. But what we can see is that they've been basically bringing them and then closing, right? So what we are seeing here is quite nice positive numbers in change for the last 2 weeks, which is in here and in here, right? So as it was happening in here, we can see that they basically closed their short positions from the 219 to 20 to the 215, right? So they reported big positions closing in here, where in the liquidity zone, right? So that's good. That's a good signs, and we don't see any big longs. However, look at this. We had this total volume, 5 years extreme total volume, right? So there has to be some profit taking if they are in this extreme. So based on this, we can speculate that the price will move higher, right, as it's already started. So let's go to this 4-hour time frame, and we can see, as already predicted, we can see that the price has moved higher, retraced again, created a new high. Now it's ranging, and what I'm expecting in here is set the price to move higher again, right? So don't expect any big pullbacks. It's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen later after this sharp move. Because what's gonna happen, price start to move higher, people will start to enter the FOMO, fear of missing, and then it start to drop lower, so not now. There was that pullback, and of course, not everyone was able to take it. I'll be honest, I was expecting this, but I missed this trade. I was thinking that the price will drop a little bit lower. It did not happen. So yeah, I'm bullish now. That's easy as that. Of course, where I put my stop loss is below this low, below this level, which is this POC. So I would like to be with my stop loss down here, right? Of course, there is a people who trade with such a stop loss. They are maybe profitable, but they have more stop losses, and I don't like that. So I like to have it like this. I'm already in the trade from this morning. And yeah, this will be my target that I will take profit, even if I think that the price will reach this level. Because what can happen is that the price move higher, you don't take the profit, and then it will come back to your entry, which is psychologically destroying. So I want to take the profit in here, and then I will be looking for the another entry. And maybe, of course, if I get some beautiful price action here with some volume, I will be shorting then, and then longing again. Okay, my friends, I wish you happy trading week, and bye bye.